Tell me what this cheese is. You like this cheese?
I don't know.
Take them if they're
You like it? Is it good?
In the other room for 2 minutes. Let them fry.
Unbelievable.
No, an eagle dropping deer sausage in your mouth is unbelievable.
Yeah.
It's chilly.
No, Joe, didn't you hear Oyvind? It's warm.
Wait. Yeah, I'm gonna go grab my hoodie, I think.
Wait. Yeah, okay.
And my hoodie.
Huh. That was pretty shiny. It's actually really annoying that I can switch between all these. Still have a well-framed shot. It's almost as wide as the GoPro, which I should probably grab before we do this. Should be enough. Yo. So wet. Soggy. Oh, that's probably right. Safety third. No. Just run around. Do you have 5? We have 4. Oh, Aaron's wearing his.
Alright, we're good. We're gonna row now. Alright, Aaron, you gotta row us first.
You think you gotta move over a little bit?
We can put them down here. Right down here. If we're in the water, they're gonna be wet anyway.
Yeah.
We need them. It's gonna be wet.
Going this way?
Alright, here we go.
Oh no, that's a really bad spot to hold it. Let it back down into the water. So it's not warm
Nice.
so much.
Ha! We made it on this island.
Alright.
With my expert rowing skills. I already got blisters. I'm looking to max out my feet cuts.
We made it to the island!
Hello! Alright, how much island is there? Oh, I found the other side. The island. That's crazy. I can see the whole thing.
Oh, look at that. Look at the side of that.
Oh yeah. Why didn't we land on this side?
No offense.
What is taking a bazillion years? Okay, how do we get down there? Yeah, I got some poop on my hands. Yeah. Alright, I walked in a big circle around this thing.
Yeah, we're not gonna take it over there. It's gonna take 6 years.
That one?
Yeah.
We can make it.
I
I can row.
can row. Start. And if I fail.
Alright, then I'll videotape it.
Let's try.
And we can all laugh at you.
Yeah! Got it, baby!
That's awesome!
No, it's great.
You can still see the bottom, Aaron? Yeah, we can see it.
Start with this one.
Right in the middle here, you're
Or
gonna
this
have
way.
some like little
Oh, that's a rapid current there flowing through with the tide coming out.
Oh, good point. Steer away from that.
Yeah! That was arduous!
Motor power.
Motor power!
Oh!
We pulled that time.
How fast go pee?
Snakes out here? I don't know how that works.
On the island?
I don't know.
Just don't step on one.
I don't know if there are any. I don't know. Snakes? How would snakes get out here?
Swim?
Swim. They can swim.
What?
What? Snakes in the water? There's a weird animal over there.
Don't pan over here, Jacob.
Alright.
Let's go see what it is. This is what we like to call a side quest. A solid.
Solid side quest. If it's a big dog and it chases us, I'm jumping in the water. Oh, it moved! It's a goat.
Is it? This stuff is really thick.
I'm like sinking into this. Ooh. That is weird. Maybe I should be wearing shoes.
You know what time it is?
It is drone time.
It's drone time! Yeah.
drone decided it wanted to hang out over here for a little bit. That's not where you belong, buddy. Let's get this guy back up in the air.
Dead ahead. Yeah! Violent. Yeah. The 0% video.
That's super soft, by the way.
Show us the view.
Where's that island?
Aaron, you got the rope? That's you. You got the rope.
I already got a video.
Oh, you're videoing right now?
Oh, you videoing?
Oh, you're videoing.
Oh, there's a big rock right there.
Oops. No water, no food.
Yep.
That's okay.
Well, but I don't really know. We're trying to find something anybody's fun with. And, anybody's attention.
Almost to the top. Oh, we're not even to the top. This is a good island. This is my favorite so far.
Jeez, about the last one.
Aja! Ooh, so red. Oh, go to the top of this grass.
I'm on top of the world.
Yeah.
I'm on top of the world.
Yeah.
I'm on top of the world.
Hey.
I'm on top of the world.
Yeah.
2, 1.
Woohoo!
I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world.
The next line, Joe?
What is the next line?
We've been waiting for this for a while now. 0% video. This is pretty high, actually. I'm gonna follow my death cross while you're recording it. Jacob, come back up.
Yeah, it's definitely us.
I don't know what's under that grass.
Yeah.
Oh, it's just grass.
You got this. Full send. It's so soft. Now I'm just gonna go from higher. Go from higher.
This is a tough. Here.
Yeah, don't watch your angles over there.
I have a good angle. Yeah, this is great right here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Hike Mountain tomorrow? Or
Like one of these.
Only have 0% left to film this if you fall.
Going through. I may be able to, but I'm not doing it. Looks like major twists and angles.
It's just some grass.
Yeah, but look down there.
20
That
feet.
is some very wet.
Clean.
Oh, Adam.
I'm going Joe's way.
Sled time. Go, 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 go. Quick succession. Quick succession. Ethan's got the best slide.
Now picture.
Oh, right, so we all know which way's back, right? 3, 2, 1, no way.
So cool.
Oh, whoa.
Holy cow.
I cannot see anything in this.
I want to go with this one.
Go first?
Knock on it, see if it's
No, it's solid.
behind it. Oh, there's a weird spider, Joe. You just walked into it. It's on your head.
This can't be farted.
Oh, you can get all the way around.
So say you want it to be small.
It seems like a weird optical illusion almost.
CBA2 something. Yo. Yo. There's the first one. Right
That's just the staircase. So you're going up this way first, right? Oh, yeah. Yo! Got the GoPro?
Yeah, it's rolling.
Holy cow. Oh, there's a gun up there. Yeah, there is.
This way, we're going this way.
Oh, get out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, point it right at me.
Is this a new one? Or is this one of the old ones?
This is a brand new one.
Yeah. Brand new one made in 1944.
What are you doing, Ethan?
I'm moving this cannon. What are you doing? You're about to get shot.
Wait, don't point it at me. Oh dear.
You'd probably all die if you shot right there.
Don't put it there.
Should we take a look? Alright.
I can see how many degrees I've got.
Flip over to sport mode.
Here we have Jacob and Ethan. They're doing their anti-aircraft training. Here they come. They're coming around. There goes the drone by.
This way. Whoa. It's so echoey in here.
Hey, let's check out over here.
What? See, I was trying to see if there's anything above it. The secret name. Oh.
Exactly the same as the last one.
Oh, they got a secret entrance door. This used to be a door. A big one. Oh, whoa.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, yeah. Why are there so many?
Spiders.
Ooh.
Ah, nuts.
Whoa.
Dude,
This one's a long tunnel.
Dude, you're so close. Give me in. I want to go in there.
I don't know what these like weird.
Well, these are where the cannons were.
Oh, they're cannon mounts.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
There you see like all of the maritime traffic going through. If you go here, like you're not stopping until you hit Iceland or Greenland.
Yeah.
So you have like total control over it. And you have one bunker over there on the mainland, Algon. But that's a well-preserved museum.
Whoa. I just sunk into like the water. Oh, that's broken.
I want to that field.
That's a deep hole. The heck? It's a big crack in the rocks. It's full of water. Keeps everything. Oh, dude, you can see it goes the whole way. Back on the trail.
Rats in the ocean.
All right.
Nice.
What a hit. The ocean.
You trying to hit the seagulls?
I don't have more balls. You just got one ball?
Did you send it into the ocean?
Just about clipped Aaron's head off.
That picture is now even more funny.
That's fantastic.
He's going to look for it.
Let me show you the picture.
Little beach golf. Adam's over there making a hole. We got a hole 2 over here. Hole 3 is over there behind Aaron. Jacob's got a hole here. Joe's got a hole over there. Got a whole little 9 holes of mini golf.
Jacob has evidently swung his ball straight into trap there. Oh! He hit it out of bounds.
How'd you throw it down? Actually.
This is mini golf with the tide coming in, so if we don't hurry, we will.
Right up to all that for you on this? Yeah. No.
It's okay. It's still in. That is still in. Have fun with that one. Still in. Oh, now we got a hole in 1. This is a tough one. Joe ended up also in the water. This is tough. Me and Jacob made it across, but
Yeah, you gotta keep it down. Keep it down, Aaron.
all right, you got it, Aaron. Okay, not bad, not bad. All right, okay, all right. Oh. I mean, this one's gonna be on in like the next 3 throws. I guarantee you.
3 throws. All right, I'm watching.
1.